DeWalt Cordless Nailer is kind of like the next evolution. This has a flexibility where it'll shoot all the way down from a 1/2-inch pin, which typically goes into structural steel. A lot of times drywall guys will shoot strut down to steel beams. Also has the ability, based upon the different configurations, or 2 configurations of the, and I'll take it off here in a minute, but the magazine, but you can also go up to a 2 1/4-inch pin, which will allow you to shoot down 2x4s to concrete, or a lot of variety of different applications on that. Sometimes these tools, by their nature, they tend to jam. Has a feature on here where you can reset the piston so you can get back into there, get your piston locked back up in there, and the way it goes. So this is your magazine. This is just a typical magazine. This one is the 2 1/4 magazine. Typically they come with a magazine that comes up to a 1-inch length on that. You see just the system in there. It's a very simple system where it just goes down through the chamber. Internal guts works almost like on a flywheel, where it'll actually rotate. It'll knock it